Calculate the compressibility factor. Calculate the compressibility factor. Compressibility factor for SO2 gas. For SO2 gas, if 1 mole of it occupy 0.35 liter at 300 Kelvin and 50 atm. Comment on the result also. Comment on result. Now see what is given. What is given? Given is name of gas, mole 1, pressure 50 atm, temperature 300 Kelvin. Volume 0.35 liter. They want to know the value of compressibility factor. Z is equal to PV by RT, nRT, PV by nRT. So what is P? P is equal to 50 atm, volume is equal to 0.35 liter, n is equal to 1, or we have to take 0.0821, and temperature is 300 Kelvin. When we solve it, we get the answer approximately 0.711. So this is the compressibility factor. This is the compressibility factor of SO2. It was very easy. Now we need to find the comment on the result. We need to pass comment on the result. We will compare it with ideal gas. For ideal gas, compressibility is Z is equal to 1. For SO2, Z is equal to 0.711, means SO2 is more compressible than ideal gas, i.e. it can be easier to liquefy. It is easier to liquefy SO2 in comparison to ideal gas. Suppose in the same question they ask, compare the result compare the result with helium. Compare the result with helium. We know what can be the answer? Helium and hydrogen. Helium and hydrogen, they have higher value of Z than 1. So these gases are less compressible in comparison to ideal gases, because in ideal gas there is neither attractive nor repulsive forces, but in these gases there is the attractive or repulsive. In these gases there is a repulsive force. In ideal gas there is neither attractive nor repulsive force. Z for nitrogen at minus 50 degrees Celsius and 800 atm is 1.95. Calculate the number of moles of nitrogen gas needed to fill a gas cylinder of 100 liter capacity under given condition. So what is given here? Z is given 1.95. Z is given 1.95. T is given minus 50 degrees Celsius. It means 273 minus 50. 223 degrees. 223 degrees Celsius. 223 Kelvin. Pressure ATM. Pressure 800 atm. Volume is 100 liter capacity. Volume is 100 liter. So what we need to find? We need to find what is the value of, what is the number of moles. We need to find out the number of moles. Then what is the formula? PV is equal to nRT. Divide this, N is equal to PV by ZRT. We can put the value. What is the value of this 800? Volume is 100 liter. Z is equal to 1.95. or what we have to take the R, since pressure is in the ATM and volume is in the liter, so we don't need to take 8.314 because that is for the SI unit. So here we will take 0.0821. And what is the temperature? 223 Kelvin. put it and you will get the answer, and answer is something answer is around 228. So this was the format. We need to find out the value of z. See here what the problem is there, where student generally they commit the mistake. They take they consider the volume of nitrogen. They consider the volume of nitrogen at the given condition, but we don't need to consider the volume of nitrogen. We don't need to apply the formula P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2, because they clearly say what the volume of nitrogen under this condition is needed to fill this cylinder having capacity 100 liter. So this is the volume. We don't need to calculate the volume of nitrogen at the given condition.